Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and this is a 20-year review of our Craftsman Clean and Carry wet dry vac. This is a very convenient size. It's actually a 2-gallon, 1.5 horsepower clean and carry wet dry vac, and it's lasted us for over 20 years. My dad still uses this thing, and it has a nice long 10-foot cord, all the accessories you need. The best thing about these wet dry vacs is that you can actually suck up water and wet carpeting, as well as vacuum a lot of hard particles like drywall for home improvement projects and stuff. So we use this a lot. In fact, for the past 20 years, it's been working with my car, sucking up water, for wet carpet. As a matter of fact, we just did a home improvement project right now. A lot of drywall, a lot of stucco and stuff. We just use this thing to vacuum it up, and it is a tank. So this is like wet wall that we just vacuumed up, and you just basically stick the tube in there and just start vacuuming. The tube is kind of stiff. In fact, even the 20-year-old tube, it still lasted so long. Very stiff. The filter itself, we ran through about a couple of filters through the 20 years, but there's still replacement filters they sell for it, and it's just a bag that covers up the center part. There is there's a floater in there, a ball floater, that basically when you're doing vacuuming water or liquids, it could basically stop and protect the motor, which is great. It's a tank system, so basically the top goes over the container. And here are the accessories. They do sell replacement accessories of these, but those should be the original. And of course, the 1-year warranty, yeah, it's great. But like I said, this is 20 years old now, and it still runs really well. Here is the instructions for the filter. We actually, after about every month, we actually take this filter out and wash it. And make sure we clean it and dry it before we reuse it. We have about a few, like 3 replacement filters, and we cycle through it so we could consistently still work, even though one filter is drying. This tube is very, very stiff. It's always been that way for this, and we love it. To be honest, to have that stiff and the crevice attachments, you can actually reach into places and stuff. Some people don't like the hard stiffness of the tube, but it's okay. It works. In fact, we actually have a Stinger brand wet dry vac that looks exactly like it, and we love that one too. That's even older than this one. That's like close to 30 years old now. But yeah, that's one of the original Craftsman filters that's there. We just basically wash it and reuse it for 20 years. So we have a total of 3. You can always get other replacements too. But yeah, very, very useful, especially when you're doing a lot of home improvement projects, because you could use this for everyday use, or if for the car, the auto, and pretty much for a lot of stuff where you're vacuuming, rocks or dust, or dusty areas. It's all great. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.